let's now turn our attention to the Bihar elections. Obviously, flurry of activity as the Bihar elections close in. Seat sharing formula is in the high stakes. Bihar election is likely to be announced by the NDA today. The BJP National President JP Nadda, meanwhile, chaired a meeting as well. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Sushil Modi were both in attendance. And on the other hand, ally LJP is also likely to hold a meeting a day after their expressed displeasure over BJP's alliance with the JDU. Shyam is joining us for more details. Shyam, if you can just take us through, what's at stake here at this point in time, because there are all of these meetings that are being held, but on the other hand, LJP also, we don't know how that is going to pan out since they have expressed displeasure over BJP's alliance with the JDU.
Well, yes, absolutely. Now, Chirag Paswan continues to take a tough stand as far as the alliance with the in the NDA is concerned. He is clearly lashing out at Nitish Kumar and JDU. He's been targeting Nitish Kumar, but on the other hand, he has been praising the BJP and especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Chirag Paswan has clearly said that he is into an alliance with the BJP and not with the JDU, and on the other hand, the JDU has also been saying that we do not want to speak anything on Chirag Paswan, and Chirag Paswan is in an alliance with the BJP. It is for the BJP to give them the number of seats they have been demanding. But on the other hand, Chirag Paswan had made some serious allegations against Nitish Kumar as far as his governance is concerned. Certainly has raised issues of corruption here in Bihar. So pretty well it's known that Chirag Paswan is in no mood to relent. Today he has called a meeting of his parliamentary board, and on this he's going to take a final decision. He and his party spokesperson has clearly said that they have prepared a list of 143 candidates, which clearly means that he will be putting up candidates against the JDU and not the BJP. Now certainly it raises several questions as to what kind of alliance will it be. On the other hand, the BJP has been holding a meeting there in Delhi. Senior BJP leaders, including Home Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda, the BJP President, leaders from Bihar in charge Bhupendra Yadav, Devendra Fadnavis, everyone is present there, and discussions are being held. Now certainly the nomination for the first phase of elections have started, but still now the alliances are not clear. Yesterday also we saw a high voltage drama being witnessed here in Patna when the Grand Alliance was holding a press conference here, and in between that press conference, Mukesh Sahni of the VIP started making serious allegations against Tejasvi Yadav, who was sitting next to him. He said that he has been backstabbed by RJD and Tejasvi Yadav, and today Mukesh Sahni has declared that he would be contesting all the 243 seats. So as far as the alliance in Bihar is concerned, certainly neither the Mahagathbandhan nor the NDA is prepared with its full proof with its alliance here. Though the Mahagathbandhan yesterday announced the number of seats each party would be contesting, but all of a sudden Mukesh Sahni created a ruckus here at the Maya Hotel, and today he declared that he will be contesting 243 seats. And on the other hand, as far as the BJP, JDU and LJP is concerned, certainly Chirag Paswan has been is posturing there in Delhi. Now, interestingly, in the evening, things would be clear after the BJP meeting in Delhi gets over.
All right, Shyam, just do stay with us. Now, on Saturday, the Lok Janshakti Party President Chirag Paswan, Bihari First Vision document has raised several eyebrows. Chirag has indicated that the party will not fight the state assembly polls as part of the NDA. While praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chirag said that his party's candidates will strengthen BJP's fight in the state. However, sources to Mirror Now have revealed that LJP is unhappy in fact with the seat sharing arrangement. Let me in fact go back to Shyam here. So Shyam, like you were pointing out here, LJP is unhappy with the seat sharing arrangement, and it's going to be interesting now to see how these three parties finally turn this whole thing around, whether LJP chooses to come out of this alliance altogether and fight the elections themselves alone.
Well, yes, interestingly, today after the BJP meeting in Delhi, things would become pretty clear. But one thing is interesting is that on one hand, Chirag Paswan says that he would be contesting 143 seats, whereas on the other hand, we all know that his father, Ram Vilas Paswan, is still a minister in the Modi government. So certainly things will have to be sought out within the NDA, because on one hand, Ram Vilas Paswan is a minister in the Union Cabinet, and on the other hand, Chirag Paswan, when he makes says that he would be contesting 143 seats, which clearly means that he would be placing candidates against the JDU. But here JDU and BJP has an alliance, so certainly this means that it would be a tricky position for the BJP, for the JDU and for Chirag Paswan as well, and especially for the BJP, because BJP will have to answer as to how come Ram Vilas Paswan remains in the cabinet in Delhi and here Chirag Paswan puts up candidate against the JDU, which is an ally of the BJP.
All right, Shyam, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details and giving us that perspective. Of course, we are going to have to wait and watch now as to how this plays out. Remember, all of this now just as the Bihar elections are closing in.